more like a more studio more like one in Bosmic. Mero like away. Ni man cha no ku tu ka mo na win no mo da na mo ni. Ko mo me na me cha la kwa na wa. Chi ki wa o. El Diuba ngweyo. Wa re yo bi ni town. Boys bi o Bosmic ko di kid style gi na ko bu me gi kwa style ak mo mani. Jan te kwa be mo te kwa we an ku be ya te. Anchuli kwanya Luwe te kwa karikti chene ndo mete kwa karikti by charo ka tu chene fu ngo ni money comes from the village. So gikele wa chene because they love what we are doing. And Jenneth Prischa Jenneth Prischa charo bien bora macharo the way and then Jenneth Prischa chuya mo e dam papa no ka ti kum Jenneth Prischa bara no la we pera romero ba no career ne piana dombe ki mo marai. See, I advised no, my Women's Locally is a comedy, but this is reality. I have to say this. Other producers can think this way. A very beautiful woman like this can come to your studio and you'll just be, oh, so when I was Jenneth Prischa, she's coming because she's very humble and beautiful. She's in fact a woman. Because there are a lot of ladies, there are a lot of women around, but there are no wives among them. So if you chance to get one, like Jenneth Prischa, if it in jail, which is wrong, holding a lot of companies, they would think very negatively on Lieutenant services. I'm a producer. She came, that thought came to me, but still, and there was something in her has a talent. Where she, I don't know what it was about. Gil Barolanya. She sang that song. I only gave her a kind of small guide. I saw a very big future in cultural music in her. That's why Kichunya Weng, a Kerochia, Ikum and Machal and producer, where she has taken over. I have to say this with that which she has taken over. And I am over happy about her. This is not a speech I have to make right now because I'm even taking a lot of time. And then we won't keep para do you? Surely in Chawane, give them one wide on your this concert, no matter what on piano. Teacher Mokalo gave to Algam Cabino Kilotiano. Go on Chava bar, give you booking table, Kilitiano, Bedo, or Tiano Charo, Moy, marking or game out soil again or guinea. You know what, gathering all categories of people. Yelling down, but where away, Mate, Kiki Boundary. She sings, you know, you can Macau, Padano, or Wang in all levels. So when you will tell a name, Kidong, well, table is fine, 1 million is fine, 500,000 is fine for 4 people in a table. I support that. Me, I'm coming with my family. I want to support Nomirana T-shirt by Jenneth Prischa, but I'm going to buy it because not because that is so close to Jenneth Prischa, I have to get everything free from her. No, that's not supportive. I have to buy the t-shirt. You guys who are here, I am very much ashamed if you're not putting on Jenneth Prisca's t-shirt at the moment. We should bring the t-shirt out here. We just sell it out. We start really advertising about the show, about the concert. This is what we have to be starting to do at the moment. And for this is not my time to make the speech. Kidong chela me robebe a post about the car and I'm tweet. I'm very ready. I will sing and I've taken long. So if my name is also in the advert, people she's one of them. They will come as many as possible. You see, me, I have class of ladies. She's beautiful. Jenneth Prischa is beautiful. My wife is damn beautiful. We are all fine. Thank you.
Koda. We thought we were in for a press conference, yet there was something down going. Because the way you're talking, that energy is not that.
Twina yo, was an elderly person, your madam, your brother will excuse me. Hello. I'm just confused on what especially, in fact, the right point I should put out as a conference a dialogue. Actually, I don't know what even to speak. I'm
Ofoyo.
Afoya.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Don't you for Koda Matecto 12.